Michelle with Pink and Main. Welcome to opening day number 12 of our Advent calendar for 2025. I'm super excited to see what's inside, so with no further ado, let's head down to the table and check out what today has in store. Okay, let's check out what's in the bag for day 12. All right, we've got another 3x3 stamp set. This is a peony this time. Sending love is the sentiment. I love that. I'm loving all these little different flowers. You could make a whole little set of note cards with a different flower, different sentiments, give them as gifts, or just make cards to give out. Put them in your journal, your planner, your scrapbook. So many things you can do with these. So that's day number 12. Thank you so much for joining me today for opening day number 12 of our Advent calendar. I can't believe we're almost halfway through the Advent calendar. We're halfway through December to Christmas. So we go from the 1st to the 25th with the Advent calendar, so 25 days. And with day number 12 being almost halfway, I can't believe it. I hope you're enjoying everything that's in the Advent calendar. I can't wait to see what you create with it. So be sure to share it in our Facebook group, or if you share it on your other social media sites, be sure to tag us so we can check it out. And I will see you tomorrow. Until then, keep living the creative life.